If you want to find all active devices on your local network using just one command prompt command, then in this video I will show you that. So hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Technology, and today in this video tutorial I will show you guys how to ping every IP addresses on your network using just one command. So follow my steps. So before scan, you need to know the IP range of your network. So simply what you have to do, you need to go to your start window or search window and type CMD and open command prompt. After that type IP config and this will show your IP address. So in my case it is 192.168.0.50. So my IP range is 192.168.0. Maybe in your case it is 10 range of IP or 172 range of IP. Simply copy that range and simply go to your notepad and copy this command from my video description. After that you just need to put that range over here. So suppose if you have 10 range of IP, then you have to put over here, or 172 range of IP you have to put over here. Okay, so I have 192.168.0. range of IP, so I'll put over here, and after that copy this command and you need to paste it on your CMD. Now if I'll press enter, so this command loops through IP addresses from 1 to 255 and send one ping request to each address and display only the devices that reply, meaning they are online. And as you can see, each addresses that responds will appear in this list, and also allowing you to quickly identify the devices on your network. Now here I will give you one amazing command that will help you to find out the MAC address, the device which is connected on your network. The command is simply you need to type ARP space -A, and if you press enter, it will show all your IP address and their MAC address, and it will show static or dynamic. So I hope this quick tutorial really helped for you, and please don't forget to click on the subscribe button, like button and share button. And if you have any queries or questions, then comments down below. I will see you guys in the next video. Till then, bye bye, take care.